Hey there, how's your day? Not so great, I guess. Otherwise, you wouldn't search for this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open E70 X5 rear interior dome light. It's very tricky. It's not easy, as you were taught. I don't know why BMW made it so difficult to change the bulbs here. But since I struggled it for some time here, I thought I'm going to make a video because I couldn't find anything good myself. You can't just pry it open. You need to use special BMW tool if you wanna open it correctly. Let me explain. It's hooked up like this. This goes to reverse side of the car and this goes to front side. As you can see, you can't pry it open from the front side. You can peel it open from the reverse side. However, this light here is with the frame. You shouldn't remove the frame, only the light itself. And if you watch here, you have to use the special pry tool that will go inside. Let me try to show you a little bit more better. You need to have the pry tool or at least 2 little screwdrivers. So what you have to do is, you see this plastic hole right here. You have to put 1 screwdriver to the edge of the hole here and push it up here, and the second one the other corner, and push. You have to push those 2 pins. You see? You have to push those pins so the metallic would go bent, and then it will release the, how I would call it, the socket from the frame. This is the whole frame. Let me try to show you real quick here. I was wasting hours to try to take it open. Excuse me for a sec. To try to take it open, and it's I don't know why BMW made this so hard. It is so hard. If you have a special pry tool, I'm sure it's much easier. Wait, all right, it's very, yeah, it's very strong. All right, I got it open. So now that I open it, it comes off from the frame. All right, and this frame should not be removed. It should cover the hole right here. I removed it with the frame, but it's not meant to. Okay, so now I had this front cover also came off, but it's not meant to take off. It was all my reverse engineering of the thing. And let's put it back on. So basically you need to get this one out in one piece. Here you can change the bulbs, just screw it up and you can change the bulb, right? Then you can put it back. It's very easy once you have released the lamp. All right, and it's very easy to put it back in as well. Let me show you. You just connect the plug, put it in, and just press it till it locks. No problem, huh? Okay. So as you can see, I'll take the frame back. As you can see, it's a little bit hard. When you put it on the frame, this side goes like this, and this side goes like this. And as you see, you have only those very small holes here. So basically what I did here with the second ones, I used like so little screwdrivers, one this side pushing here, and one second side pushing in. You have to push in like in 45 degrees, not like this, but something like this. So you will go ahead from this frame, and then you will press this down from the both sides with 2 screwdrivers. Inside, let me focus a little. Inside from these 2 holes, because they have some metal over here. Missing the focus. That you can push it all together with the screwdriver, like it would be when it would be normal engineering, but only those 2 little holes, so you can push it in. And it's very tightly, you have to push it very, very hard. Let me show you. You have to, like in 45 degrees, I show you. Like in 45 degrees, going not like this and not like this, but you have to maneuver it to the, come on, to the hole. When it's in the hole, it takes some force, as you can see, and when the screw pushes in, you can even do it like this to pull it out. I was able to do with 2 screwdrivers to the other sides, but if you're afraid to damage it, then I suggest you to do it in the service when they have a special pry tool. But with this I was able to bypass this little sucker. So yes, not so easy But now when you know how it looks inside, maybe you can avoid mistakes I made and had a little less damage when you take it out. So why I take it out? I would like to replace them with the read LEDs, so it would look like this. I think it's very cool in the dark, but that's that. So I hope that little amateuric video was some help to you and help you avoid to destroy your card, because if you pry it out with the frame, as you can see, there is a hook here, but you don't need to remove the frame should stay there. You just need to cut this pin in and with 45-degree. But like I said, it's as you can see, even when I push it with my finger, it's very strong. I can't do it with one hand. So when you cut to the right hole, you have to use some force. But if you're not in the hole, you could damage it. So this is the lock mechanism. So thank you for watching, and have a good day. Today is Friday 13, by the way, when I'm making this video. So bye.